Now, I believe most of us have used Google before, but did you know that you can use Google and make a lot of money online? Yes, that's right, but for most people, they're just using Google for random searches and they're not getting paid any money for doing that. But there are a small group of people who are taking advantage of this Google trick and they have been making a lot of money online. What I'll do in this video is I'll be revealing the secret. I'll be teaching you everything step by step for free, and by using this Google trick, you can make a lot of money online from anywhere in the world. This is going to be a very simple method that you will absolutely love. Now, before we go into the video, make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so that whenever I upload a new video or new methods to make money online, you'll be the first to know about the strategy, tips and tricks so that you'll be ahead of your competitors and start making real money. Also, please give this video a big thumbs up if you like it, and if you have any concerns or questions or opinions about the video, please do feel free to leave a comment down below so that whenever I see them, I can immediately answer and accommodate you guys and give you all the information that you need. Now let's dive in straight into the video. Now this is going to be the website that we'll be using, and combine this with Google, and then we can make a lot of money online. I want to show you the earning potential of this website. Take a look at these. $10,000, and over here $800, and right here $1,000. When I scroll down below, there are literally unlimited opportunities where you can use this Google trick and you can make hundreds if not thousands of dollars over and over again. And all you need is just a simple Google trick and you can start making money on this website. Now, this tool is definitely a legit website. They've been partnering up with some of the biggest brands online. For example, Johnson & Johnson, Pepsi, Nestle, Microsoft, Spotify. All these famous companies and top brands are customers of this website. Now, I'll show you how to sign up for a free account. Once you go on to the top of the homepage on this site, I want you to go and click on this button right here, where you can share your ideas and earn cash. Now, I'm a problem solver and that's gonna take you to this page, and I want you to click on this button on top, log in or sign up. Click on this, and then this is where you can sign up for a free account. I want you to click on this link right here. I don't have an account yet. Click on this link and then you're gonna come over to this page, Solver Registration. Just put in your first name, your last name, and also your location, your email address, and also your password, and choose your birth date and your gender. Now for the following skill areas, I recommend you to choose above average on the 3 skills, and make sure you check on the terms and conditions and privacy policy and click on I'm not a robot, and you can just go and click on this blue sign up button. So once you log into your account, you can see that there are many different projects and challenges which you can join and make a lot of money online. So on the last section here, you can see there are many different categories. For example, business, engineering, computer science, food science, and so on. Now, I want you to focus on this brand new category, which is computer science, and I want you to go and click on this link. Once you click on that link, they're gonna filter out and show you all the projects and challenges about computer science. That's gonna pay you the highest amount of money. For example, this project right here, which is how can AI technology help us, right? Right, as you can see here, $1,600. So all you have to do is just go ahead and click on this link, and then you're gonna come over to this page, as you can see here, where they're gonna ask you this question: how can AI technology help us write? Now, you can submit an answer on articles and then you can get paid by doing that. There are so many people who are doing it right now. There are over 90 submissions, and these are all the people who get paid by submitting an answer on this website, and you can do the exact same thing as well by using a simple Google trick. Right now, I want you to go back to Google and I want you to search in this keyword, which is Google Docs, and then as you can see here, you're gonna see the first link right here, Google Docs free online document. I want you to click on this link, and then you're gonna come on to this page where you can start a new document. Now, I want you to go on and click on this blank page right here. That's gonna take you to this page where you can start typing your answers on this Google document, and then you can actually submit this one and you can make money online. As you can see here, there are over 90 submissions right now, and by submitting a Google document, by submitting your answers to this question right here, you can actually make a lot of money. Now don't worry, this is going to be a very simple method, so keep watching. So right now, I want you to go back to mindsumo.com and I want you to highlight this question right here. I want you to copy this keyword, and then we're gonna go back to Google. Now, all we have to do is just paste our keyword right here on Google, and I want you to press on the search button, and Google will help us find the answer to this question. For example, this website right here from Quora.com, how can AI technology help us write? Now, we can just go ahead and click on this link, and that's gonna take us to Quora.com. This is where people post different questions and answers, and hopefully we can find a good answer for this question so that we can submit and make money online. For example, this girl right here, Priya Sharma, she wrote a good answer that we can use. She even gave us the bullet point answer, so all you have to do is just go ahead and highlight this right here, and we can just copy and we can go back to our Google Docs, and then we're gonna paste our answer right here. Just click on paste, and then we're gonna leave it here. So right now when we go back to Google, we are gonna look for different answers that we can actually combine, and then we can submit and make money. I've actually found this website, which is called thenextweb.com. The title is How Artificial Intelligence Will Impact Professional Writing, and I'm just gonna click on this link. So that's gonna take us to this website here. I'll try to look for an answer for this question. As you can see here, smart proofreading. That's exactly the answer which I'm looking for, and they even gave me the entire paragraph and also the entire answer for this question. Now, when I scroll down below here, I can look for the second point, which is quicker scanning of written documents. Look at this. These are all the articles. These are all the answers that we've been looking for, and we can combine all of these points and we can just put it into our Google Docs, and then we can submit and actually make money on this challenge. So real quick, I'm just gonna highlight this point right here. I'll go ahead and highlight and click on copy. I'll just go back to my Google Docs and paste my answer right here. This is a really professional answer that I can submit on mindsumo.com. So again, I'll go back to this website and I'll scroll down below and look for the second point, which is right here, and highlight everything once again. And I'm gonna click on copy and go back to my Google Docs and paste on my second answer on my Google Docs. This is actually pretty simple. Repeat this one over and over again and get all the answers on this website and just paste everything on this Google document. And now, I want to give you a bonus tip. Make sure you change the title of this Google Doc to MindSumo Challenge. Then, you want to put in the title of the question, and we're going to go back to mindsumo.com, and then we're going to copy the question right here. Click on copy, and then we're going to go back here and actually paste the question as the title. So right now, I'm going to delete this answer here because I found a better answer. So now we're copying the entire title of this Google document, and then we're gonna paste it right here on Google Docs, and then we're gonna make the font size larger to size 24 so that it looks larger. So I'm gonna put it at the center of this document. Now I'm gonna put a little spacing down below and put this on as point number 1. Point 1 is actually smart proofreading, and I'll put on a space right here, and this is the explanation of point number 1. Repeat these steps if you have more answers for the question here. Now, once you've finished making your answer, you can just go ahead and click on File and then click Download. Make sure you choose PDF document. You can just click on this link right here and it'll download this on your computer. You can do this on your phone, you can do this on your computer, it really doesn't matter. So right now, as you can see here, this is a very professional MindSumo challenge answer that you can actually just submit. And that's where you can start making money by taking advantage of this new Google trick and making money online on mindsumo.com. And again, there are plenty of different challenges and projects which you can join. That's exactly how you can use Google searches and use this Google trick to make money online. And that's it for today. If you enjoyed this one, please subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell so you'll be the first to know about the strategy, tips, and tricks to make more money online. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.